Windows can't find the OLE library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a guided solution to fix this critical library mismatch. Before we dive into the OLE library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the OLE library, a legacy object linking and embedding OLE library. This 16-bit unmanaged shim is maintained for backward compatibility with ancient software to manage the orchestration of embedded object manifests. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as OLE library DLL. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including OLE library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for OLE library DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to OLE library. If this fix repaired OLE library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.